The proactive approach to a mistake is to acknowledge it, instantly correct and learn from it. The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Stop setting goals. Goals are pure fantasy unless you have a specific plan to achieve them. Self-awareness, consciousness, independent will and creative imagination, this gives us the ultimate human freedom, the power to choose to respond. Your most important work is always ahead of you, never behind you. Live out of your imagination, not your history. The main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing. Effective leadership is putting first thing first. Effective management is discipline, carrying it out. Synergy is better than way or your way, it's our way. There are three constants in life: change, choice, and principles. We are not animals. We are not a product of what has happened to us in our past. We have the power of choice. Life is not accumulation. It is about contribution. The key is taking responsibility and initiative, deciding what your life is about and prioritize your life around the important things. You can retire from a job, but don't ever retire from making extremely meaningful contributions in life. Trust is the foundational principle that holds all relationships. It is the glue of life. Everyone must be proactive and do all they can to help themselves to stay employed. Leadership is a choice, not a position. Begin with the end in the mind. Trust is central to an economy that works. We need to have business leaders who live by deep, strong principles. We become what we repeatedly do. Find your voice and inspire others to find theirs. Listen with your eyes for feelings. Listen with the intent to understand, not the intent to reply. The roots of the problems we face in the world, in our national life, and in our family and personal lives are spiritual. Do subscribe to my channel, friend. Thanks for watching Motivational Quotes, Stephen Covey Quotes.